Welcome to the top picks. The best kitchen whiteboard is probably one of the most versatile and practical additions you can make to your home, transforming a chaotic kitchen into an organized oasis where meal plans are effortlessly managed, grocery lists are always at hand, and family messages are clearly communicated, all while adding a sleek, modern touch that enhances your kitchen's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Number 5. Navaris Magnetic Dry Erase Board, Wooden Planks. Keep your life organized with this stylish magnetic memo board. It's perfect for jotting down notes, displaying photos, or planning your next big adventure. Add a touch of style to your home with this decorative wall panel. Use it as a display board or an organizational list to track your tasks and to-dos. This set includes the magnetic whiteboard, 5 magnets, and a marker with a magnetic cap. Everything you need to get started right away. Easily write messages with the included marker. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth or sponge when you're done. To maintain its magnetism, please use plain water to clean the board. Avoid using detergents, as they may affect its performance. What we like? If you're looking for a dry erase board that doubles as a stylish home decor piece, this is the one. Its decorative wooden frame adds a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen, while the magnetic surface is perfect for notes and photos. Choose this if you want to organize your life without sacrificing aesthetics. What people say. Looks very good on the wall. Magnetic feature works well. This is a really nice magnetic board. I bought it to display my travel magnets and it looks great. Nice graphics design, better than just a whiteboard. Number 4. Acrylic Magnetic Dry Erase Board Set. Easily attach this board to any magnetic surface. For non-magnetic areas like glass or wood, we've included hanging hardware. You can even use the hardware on magnetic surfaces to protect your fridge's finish. Enjoy a scratch and stain-resistant surface that cleans up effortlessly. It's reusable, making it a great choice for the environment and for all your planning needs. Stay organized and keep track of all your important dates and events. It's also a fantastic tool to help children learn valuable scheduling and time management skills from a young age. Perfect for kitchens, offices, or classrooms, this board brings style to organization. Use it for daily plans, appointments, to-do lists, or grocery shopping. The possibilities are endless. This makes a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who loves to stay organized. It's a beautiful and functional addition to any home or workspace. Your set includes both a weekly and monthly board, markers in 6 vibrant colors, a magnetic pen box, a cleaning cloth, and all necessary hanging hardware. What we like? For those who need a comprehensive planning system, this set is ideal. It includes both monthly and weekly layouts to keep you on track with all your appointments and events. If you love detailed planning and want a durable, easy-to-clean surface, this acrylic planner is a great choice. What people say. The board is large enough to write down the whole week's meals, shopping lists, and reminders. It comes with a variety of colorful markers and an eraser, making it easy to use right out of the box. The magnetic backing is strong and holds the board securely to the refrigerator door without slipping. Number 3. Hadley Designs Chalkboard Weekly Dinner Menu Board. Are you struggling to answer that daily question? Our meal planner is here to help you organize your week's meals effortlessly. Unlike others made overseas, our kitchen menu planner is proudly made right here in the USA. Experience quality you can trust. Easily plan healthy meals for your family. This weekly menu board comes with a meal planner, grocery list, and a dry erase marker. Make your trips to the store more efficient. This magnetic planner helps you stay organized, saving you time and money. Avoid the chaos of last-minute meal decisions. Use it as a versatile menu board, meal prep planner, or grocery list. We stand by our product's quality with a lifetime manufacturer warranty. Our family-owned business is dedicated to making your life easier. What we like? If answering what's for dinner is a daily struggle, this meal planner is your solution. Designed specifically for kitchen use, it helps streamline your grocery shopping and meal prep. Opt for this if you prioritize easy meal planning and want a product backed by a family-owned business with a lifetime warranty. What people say. The board is large and has plenty of space for writing notes and reminders. It comes with all the necessary accessories, including markers, an eraser, and mounting hardware. The magnetic surface is strong and holds papers and photos securely. Number 2. Mr. Pen 14x11 Dry Erase Board. Introducing the Mr. Pen Dry Erase Board, a versatile tool for your everyday needs. It's perfect for students and professionals alike. This board comes with a black dry erase marker and features an easy mounting system. You can set it up on clean surfaces without any drilling required. Crafted with a premium magnetic steel dry erase surface, it offers a smooth and durable writing experience. It's ideal for planning, scheduling, or even just doodling. Its compact design with a white frame makes it a stylish addition to any space. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to learn and work, as you can simply write, wipe, and reuse. This small mini whiteboard is perfect for various tasks, from jotting down notes to creating detailed plans. Its reusable nature means no waste, just endless possibilities. Designed for users aged 3 and up, it's a safe and engaging tool for learning and creativity. What we like. This small, magnetic dry erase board is perfect for tight spaces or individual use. Its premium magnetic steel surface ensures a smooth writing experience, and the easy mounting system means no drilling is required. If you need a simple, no-fuss board for quick notes, reminders, or student use, this is a practical option. What people say. The board is large and fits perfectly on my refrigerator door. It's easy to write on and even easier to wipe clean, leaving no smudges. Comes with multiple color markers and an eraser, making it convenient for organizing different tasks or shopping lists. Number 1. NeatSure Acrylic Magnetic Meal Planner. Introducing our magnetic meal planner, designed to streamline your weekly menu and grocery lists. Keep your family informed and organized with this easy-to-use planning tool. Featuring extra thick magnets, this board adheres firmly to your fridge, ensuring it stays in place even with frequent use. It's designed to be gentle on your appliance's surface. Write smoothly with our set of 8 vibrant, quick-drying markers. The stain-resistant surface allows for easy erasing, ensuring a clean slate every time without ghosting. Crafted from premium, clear acrylic with a stylish finish, this planner complements any kitchen decor. It maintains the original look of your refrigerator while adding a touch of elegance. Beyond meal planning, use it to track to-do lists, shopping needs, or important reminders. It's the perfect way to bring order to your daily activities and makes a thoughtful gift. What we like. This clear acrylic meal planner offers a sleek and modern way to organize your kitchen. The strong magnets ensure it stays put, even on busy fridges, and the included vibrant markers make your plans pop. If you want a stylish, highly visible planner that complements your kitchen decor and keeps your week organized, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The markers that come with it are beautiful bold colors and great quality. It has a clean, understated design and adheres securely to our stainless steel refrigerator with strong magnets. It also comes with 8 magnetic markers that conveniently stick right below the calendar, which makes everything easy to access. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.